Imagine sitting in your living room right now. Look at that little black plastic box sitting under your television. For years, you probably thought the Apple TV was just a simple, harmless streaming box. You probably only used it to watch Netflix, maybe stream a few YouTube videos, and completely ignore it the rest of the time. But massive new leaks prove that this was all a giant setup. Apple has been playing a massive game of chess behind closed doors. They are preparing to completely blindside the entire tech industry in 2026. They are transforming this basic plastic square into the most dangerous device they have ever built. It will crush expensive gaming consoles. It will make your current smart home hubs completely useless. It will put a dedicated, incredibly powerful artificial intelligence server directly into your house. This is a complete takeover of your living space. The competition has absolutely no idea what is coming, and they are not prepared for the storm Apple is about to unleash. Stop scrolling and pay very close attention. This information completely changes how you will upgrade your home in the future. The biggest clue about this massive takeover comes from the actual brain of this new machine. Apple is completely abandoning older, slower chips for the television. Instead, they're directly transplanting the incredibly powerful A17 Pro chip right into the 2026 Apple TV. This is the exact same flagship brain found in their most expensive, top-tier mobile phones. This is an absolute game changer for your living room. Putting a chip this powerful into a small streaming box is completely unheard of. But Apple is doing this for a very specific reason. They are violently pushing into the high-end gaming market. They are doubling the device memory to an enormous 8 gigabytes of RAM. They do not want you playing simple mobile games anymore. They want you playing massive, visually stunning titles like Resident Evil natively on your television screen. The new architecture radically reduces energy consumption while tripling raw graphics performance. You are getting console-level gaming, true hardware ray tracing, zero fan noise, extreme energy efficiency, and a base storage of 128 gigabytes. It will output maximum graphical power without ever breaking a sweat. But dominating the gaming space is just step one of this aggressive master plan. Apple wants to completely control everything you touch in your house. Apple quietly killed off older iPads from acting as home hubs recently. This confused a lot of people at the time, but this was done entirely to force users onto the new 2026 Apple TV ecosystem. This upcoming device is being built from the ground up as the mandatory, ultra-fast brain for your whole house. The focus lies entirely on the deep integration of Thread and Matter. This means your new Apple TV will instantly connect and control any smart lock, any security camera, or any smart light bulb, regardless of the brand you originally bought. It is an ultimate home hub. It offers instant device pairing, cross-platform control, a universal Thread router, and total security lockdown for your personal data. It will offer zero-lag automation and smart camera monitoring that never fails. The real magic bringing all this incredible hardware together is artificial intelligence. The entire launch of this device was heavily delayed to 2026 for one very specific reason. Apple desperately needed time to perfect a massive Siri AI overhaul specifically designed for the big screen. Because the A17 Pro chip is so insanely powerful, all of your voice requests and AI tasks will be processed instantly on the device itself. Your data does not need to bounce off a cloud server anymore. Your TV will understand complex, natural questions about the exact movies you are watching. It will generate highly specific recommendations based purely on your current mood. To pull this off, the device requires an incredibly fast and stable internet connection. Apple is developing a brand new custom wireless chip called the N1 just for this. Television box. Deep dives into unreleased code show Apple is heavily testing multiple network speed tiers right now. This custom N1 chip means lightning-fast downloads. It is Wi-Fi 7 ready. It features Bluetooth 5.3 support. It will deliver uncompressed 4K streaming with zero network buffering. There will even be a gigabit Ethernet tier for users who demand the absolute fastest internet speeds possible. Look. So, how much will this massive Trojan horse cost you? This is exactly where Apple plans to destroy Amazon and Roku forever. To achieve total market dominance, the next generation Apple TV requires a lower starting price. Apple is planning a massive, aggressive push into the market. A sub-$100 price tag would completely flip the tech industry upside down. Even if the base model launches at $129, the sheer value is completely ridiculous. You are getting an A17 Pro chip, a high-end gaming console, a universal smart home brain, and a dedicated AI server for the price of a cheap dinner. Apple is playing a brilliant game, and they are about to put the entire living room market into checkmate. You absolutely need to wait for this release before you spend another dollar on your home theater. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon like that. Drop a comment below and give your best opinion about this product because I want to know if you are buying one on launch.